Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can share link from Google Chrome to your WhatsApp contact or Telegram or any other application. Right now, if you are on your Google Chrome and you want to share a particular link to someone, maybe you want them to access that particular platform or website, you don't really need to copy it. I can really show you how you can share those links directly to their WhatsApp, and they will have access to the link or to the platform through your Google Chrome. Right now, let's search Love by Burna Boy. There's Love by Burna Boy. I'll click here, and as you can see, okay, let me open this first link, which is the trendy beats. Right, I'll open here. Okay, this is trendy beats where he or she can actually access it. So what I will do is that I will come to this particular sign, this arrow here. I hope you can see this arrow here at the very top here. I'll tap on the arrow and everything will be highlighted here. I hope you can see my WhatsApp contact has been highlighted. I can decide to do it through mail. I can decide to do it through Telegram and other options through Twitter and all of that. Right, so for the sake of this video, I will be choosing WhatsApp contact. So I will just choose this first one. I'll tap here. I will click on send here. I hope you can see send here. Then boom, it has sent. So let's go to WhatsApp and confirm if actually this was sent to my WhatsApp. So I hope you can see it here. Look at the time. That's the time here, 17:28, and it's 17:28. That's the current time here. So the link has been sent to that particular individual, and they can actually access this platform without wasting time, without you having to copy it. And you can also do it to groups, multiple people at same time. Right, please, if this video was helpful, do well to subscribe to this channel, comment, and also share. See you on the next one.